Good day? Bad day?
Watershed.
So we have until when? Who's in charge of who's
Until 12.
12. 12?
12 noon.
So we have 16 minutes. All right, great. Right?
Yeah.
9 o'clock, right? Good. My name is Don. Welcome. We have a game we'd like to play with you. And it has to do with recycling. And when we were thinking about putting this together, we said, man, this is boring. It's like teaching people how to brush their teeth. Everyone knows how to recycle, right? Or at least they think they do. But we thought we'd try this game and maybe make another appeal for some things you can do to recycle. So that's our game. And this whole room is going to represent a watershed. And a watershed is simply an area of land that surrounds a body of water, and everybody lives in the watershed. This is our river. You like it? Not very deep. You can't drown. And you're allowed to walk on it when the game starts. Okay? The rest of everything represents a xeriscape. What is a xeriscape? Anybody? Christina, what do we got?
It's a human-created habitat which drains rainwater.
Yeah. Examples would be anybody? Go. Yeah?
Lawns
Yeah?
and parking lots.
I like it. And there's more. So they're human created habitats. Not like what we find in cities and suburban areas. You probably have visited, maybe you parked your car on a real live xeriscape. Is that okay? That's good, right? Okay, good. All right, so this is xeriscape. This is a river. All this other debris represents pollution. Things like CO2 emissions, which right now you guys are emitting from your bodies. You know that? Some people more than others. But yes, in fact, CO2 is emitting from your body right now. Phosphates and nitrates from fertilizers and soap and all that kind of stuff. Biological processes produce that. And sewage. It all happens. It's what people do. So this is just going to fly in the air. Wherever it lands, if it lands in a xeriscape, it's going to eventually end up in our water. Water is really valuable, I don't know if you know that. Anybody bought water lately? It is really valuable. So, xeriscapes are human-created habitats. There are natural habitats, such as forests, prairies, and wetlands. And when pollution happens, if it happens to land in or around, thank you. In a forest, prairie, or wetland, it's going to be mitigated. It's going to be handled because phosphates and sewage and CO2 emissions, biological processes deal with it. So it's good stuff. In fact, we copy what nature does. Unfortunately, there's not as much forest, prairie, and wetland around, especially in urban areas. So the solution is to copy what nature does, which recycles. So in order to establish our game, recycling, where's our stuff? Right there. Go grab it. We're just going to point these out. It's a great game, isn't it, guys? You loving it? You getting excited? Good. Just hold on. We're almost there. We're just learning right now. Good. So, here we go. So, there's things you can do. To recycle. And remember, xeriscapes, maybe a natural area, but every time you establish something, let's say plant authentic native phenotype, then you are copying what nature does, and you're helping the watershed.